how to use two accounts in Telegram. So if you want to actually use two accounts in Telegram, you can actually do it using the same app. Open up the Telegram app, and here you can currently see I'm logged into one of my accounts. And if you want to log in or maybe use another account in the Telegram app, tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Then here you'll find the drop down arrow. Just tap on the drop down arrow, then tap on add account. Then all you have to do here is to simply make sure to enter the new account that you would like to use in this case, and once done you can hit the arrow option, verify with the verification code, and enter your password to log in if you have set a password. And once you've done that, your another account on the Telegram app will also get successfully added. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically use two accounts in Telegram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.